Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular mesh Wi-Fi systems, the TP-Link Deco Mesh Wi-Fi system and the Amazon eero 6 Plus Mesh Wi-Fi system. We will evaluate these products based on various categories to help you make an informed decision. So let's get started. Starting with the price, the TP-Link Deco S4 is priced at $149, while the Amazon eero 6 Plus is priced at $299. If budget is your primary concern, the Deco S4 offers a more affordable option. When it comes to coverage, both systems offer excellent performance. The Deco S4 can cover homes up to 5,500 square feet, eliminating any dead zones. On the other hand, the eero 6 Plus provides reliable connectivity with gigabit speeds, ensuring smooth streaming and video calls for your entire household. In terms of connectivity, the Deco S4 offers 2 gigabit Ethernet ports per unit and supports wired Ethernet backhaul for better speeds. The eero 6 Plus also provides gigabit speeds and includes a built-in smart home hub for connecting compatible devices. Both systems can be easily set up using their respective mobile apps. Both the Deco S4 and eero 6 Plus utilize advanced mesh technology. The Deco S4 uses Deco mesh technology to create a unified network with a single network name, allowing devices to seamlessly switch between units. Similarly, the eero 6 Plus employs eero's patented TrueMesh technology, intelligently routing traffic to reduce drop-offs and dead spots. If you have children, parental controls are crucial. The Deco S4 offers robust parental controls, allowing you to set limits on online time and block inappropriate websites. The eero 6 Plus provides automatic updates to keep your network safe and secure, and also offers additional network management features through a separate subscription. And that wraps up our comparison between the TP-Link Deco Mesh Wi-Fi system, Deco S4, and the Amazon eero 6 Plus Mesh Wi-Fi system. Both products have their own unique features and advantages, so it ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. We hope this video helped you in making a decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.